Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. RPA Use Case, Customer Care. The transformational qualities of RPA can be seen in a case study involving Cobmax, a global sales center. As the business grew, sales representatives were placed under a lot of pressure. When management won a contract for a leading Brazilian telecoms company, their manual administrative system was exposed as outdated. Cobmax implemented an RPA solution that identified manual tasks with high error rates. One of these processes involved copying and pasting data from one CRM system to another. Errors meant that reports were taking a long time due to these inaccuracies. By using RPA to outsource these tasks, Cobmax halved back-office operations and reduced the time to produce reports by up to 66%. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.